Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I would be very grateful. So today I'm going to be running through this look with you where I have used blushers as eyeshadows. So give it a watch and let me know what you think. Here we go. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. I have previously done a video on how I do my eyebrows, so I'll link that below. But today I'm gonna try using blusher as eyeshadow. So I have a variety of blushes. I have some matte, I have some shimmer, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Obviously it's gonna be some kind of pinky colour, but we'll just go with it. We'll just go with the flow. We'll see where we go with it. Right, so I have two palettes which have got blushes in. One's more of a neutral tone and the other is obviously more of a pinky tone. These are, now I've had them a while, but these are by The Colour Experts, and I think I got these from B&M. So this is the other one. Okay, and then I've also got some absolutely stunning colours from the Unique range. Right, what do we go with first as a transition? Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with a light pink colour. Just as a transition shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that bright pink as another to deepen up that crease. Okay, now I've done that, I'm going to go in with the darker pink. It's a gorgeous colour. And with that, I'm just going to use a smaller crease brush and use that to really deepen that crease. And then I'm going to go in with the previous brush that I used to blend that out. Okay, that's done. Now I don't know what to do next. Let me look. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix two colours together for the outer corners of my eyelids. These end two. I'm going to use those for the outer corners. That is what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll be honest, I don't think that's dark enough on the outer corners. Obviously with blusher, there's not going to be very many dark colours. So I'm just going to use a teensy bit of black in the outer corners and try and mix it with the pink. Okay, I think that's better. I don't know. I think it's better. So we'll just go with that. Okay, so I need to use this beautiful colour. I don't know if it's gonna go, but I'm just gonna do it. I need to use this colour as an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put it on and then see where we go from there. Oh my god, I don't know about you, but I think I'm a little bit in love with this. Hello? I actually love this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the lightest shimmer for the inner corners. So I'm going to use this one. What do we think? I really like that. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted, I don't think. But I do like that, and obviously once we've got all the underneath of the eye done and our foundation and stuff on, I think the eyes are really going to pop. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put black powder on as eyeshadow. I do think you could get away with a really harsh liquid liner with this look, but for now I'm just going to use black powder, black eyeshadow for an eyeliner. Okay, so all I've done is I've added some mascara and some black eyeliner on my waterline. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go underneath my waterline with a black eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to smudge that out with the dark pink that I used earlier for my crease. Okay, now I'm just going to apply my foundation. Again, this foundation I'm using is a mix between BB cream and concealer. I have used it in previous videos, so I'm just going to apply that now. Okay, now I'm just going to apply my concealer under my eyes. And then use a blending bud to blend that out. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of bronzer for that subtle contour, and then add a bit of, I think we're going to go with a bit of sparkle, a bit of a shimmery blusher. So first of all, bronzer. Now blusher, I'm going to go in with this. Which I think I have used before. It's got a gorgeous goldy two-tony effect to it. I love it. And you literally need the tiniest amount. And now highlighter. Right, now face is done, and now for lips. I think I'm just gonna go match the eyes and go with a pink liquid lipstick. Love the liquid lipstick. And we're done. What do we think of this colour? Oh, this lip colour, I love it. Well, there you go. You can use blusher as an eyeshadow and it works actually pretty well. I might be using it more often in the future. I am actually really impressed, and obviously there's some gorgeous sparkly pinks and things like that as well, which I'm actually quite excited to use as eyeshadows. So yeah, so I'm actually really impressed. Please let me know what you think. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for all your support. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you found this helpful, please pop me a like. It would be much appreciated. I'll see you soon.